All right, so what I'm about to show you is the Mario Kart has gone through some road damage due to the tow dolly in my inexperience. So sorry for that. And I'm going to show you the 2010 Hyundai front bumper. Yes, for those of you who hate tech or hate anything DIY, you might as well just skip over this video. Still subscribe below, but check this project out and I will see you at the end. The reason why the packaging was the way it was, according to the literature, was the fact that in order to ship it cheaply, they had to do this. So we're instructed to put the folded bumper in the sunlight, which down here in sunshiny Florida won't be too hard, for 3 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, we got to take this out and put it in the new one. We got to take this piece out, the grill, and this part of the grill. Got to take it out, and we got to attach it to the new bumper. And this little vent area down here, fortunately, has to be attached to the new bumper. All right, so it's a little harder than I thought. This is the bumper. This is that bottom part right there that goes down here. And this part is also attached to the bumper. So we have those three pieces plus the styrofoam piece that I showed you earlier that goes on the inside of this cheap plastic bumper. It's secured very simply. So now I'm going to go to the new bumper back there, and just got to screw these ones in for the grill. I mounted that with the two razors. All right, to hold the bumper on, I'm just going to put this is the new bumper now. And I'm going to start by just putting these two in first. And then I'll go through the push pins, get the two on the bottom, and the two screws on the side and snap those into place. And it should be good. All right, that is the final product. 2010 Hyundai Accent Hatchback bumper. Not the glossiest of paints. I just picked up the bumper spray paint from Advanced Auto and used that. I just keep all your parts. I was going to get some clips and they had a pack of 2. So those rivet clips that I showed you taking out that part right there, just make sure you save them. As long as you don't break the prongs off, you're good to keep them. So that's the final product. Let me know what you think. All right, it turned out to be quite the project, but it looks 10 times better than our tore up, ragged bumper. So I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe below, and check our next video out. Maybe there'll be something more interesting. Have a great day.